Well, howdy. Now, I got this on X. I'll put a link to it down below. This looks like kind of a barbecue they're having. There's a few females and a couple of males. But this video demonstrates the true nature of a Femon. And that was all it is to it, just turn it off. Because when you want something done, get a man. Because Femons are all virtual signalers. But when the shit hits the fan, they get going. And that's why everything that Femons are involved in today, and in authority positions, are all screwed up. Because they're talkers, not doers. That's quite comical actually, isn't it? Femons show who they really are every day. So keep your phones handy, guys, and record it. And then we all can have a laugh at these strong, empowered Femons. You take it easy, guys.